Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be on fashion hacks for jeans. So these are little tips and tricks that you can do to help make your jeans fit better. So it's tackling those problems like your jeans being too long or too short, or your waist feeling really kind of tight in the jeans, or also too loose jeans. So I really hope you enjoy this video. And if you see any of the jeans that you like, or maybe some of the accessories that I show in this video, everything will link down below in the description box if you want to check anything out. Hope you like it, and let's get into it. So the first hack is for when you get that annoying gap at the back of your jeans. So to fix this, take a shoelace or a piece of string and pull it through the 3 belt loops at the back of your jeans, and then tighten the lace to how you want it and tie it into a bow. Tuck it inside of your jeans and then pull over your top to disguise it, and that's it. You can also disguise the lace by putting a belt over the top of it, and it really helps to stop that annoying gap, especially when you sit down, because sometimes I feel even if I've got a belt on, it doesn't kind of hide that gap. So by putting the lace there and the belt, it just really helps to kind of cinch the jeans in. The next hack is for when your jeans are too tight around your waist. Take a hair tie or an elastic band and pull it through the buttonhole with one side of the hair tie around the button. Twist the hair tie and wrap it around to secure them together. And again, you can disguise it by pulling your top over or your jumper, or again, put a belt over the top of it around your waist to hide the hair tie. There are many different ways you can roll your jeans if they're too long for you. So the first way is to pull a hair elastic over your jeans to where you'd want them to end. And then kind of pull the jean over the elastic and tuck the bottom of the jean underneath, and that's it. It's a great hack, especially for wide leg jeans. For a different look, you can create an 80s roll. So to do this, place your finger at the side seam and fold it over. Then do the same on the other side seam and then roll the jean up twice. This is great for mum jeans or balloon style jeans. Or you could just roll up your jeans normally. This is great and works for any style of jeans, especially skinny ones. Or if you would like a wider roll, gather the jean up where you would like the roll to be and then roll it over once. Then adjust the roll and pull the bottom of the roll out. It's kind of hard to explain, but then you'll get a really wide roll, and that is so hard to say all in one sentence. This next hack is for when your jeans are a little bit too big around the waist. So take the button and put it through your first belt loop. Then put the button through the buttonhole like normal, and you've instantly downsized your jeans. Another way to downsize your jeans is to take an earring or a brooch. I think a brooch actually works better for this hack just because it's a bit more sturdy. But place the earring where you want to take the jeans in and then thread the earring through the buttonhole. And it's that simple. So if your jeans are too short at the bottom, you can style them by putting on some cool socks. I feel like glittery ones work best for this, and it just makes it look like the jeans are actually supposed to be that short. You could also wear a pair of fishnet tights, or I don't know, a cool patterned pair of tights underneath your jeans too, so it shows at the bottom. Or I think the best way to style short jeans is with a pair of ankle boots or high top trainers. This just helps to kind of fill that void between the jean and your ankle and your boot, and it just helps to disguise that they're very short. So if you have an old pair of low-rise jeans and you don't know how to style them, you can wear a pair of tights like this underneath them and expose the top of them so it gives a more high-waisted look. The next hack is how to cut your jeans if they're too long. So to start, put them on and roll them to where you would like them to end. The guideline for us is the bottom of the roll. Then lay them out and take a pen and mark a little bit lower than where you rolled, because we'd rather take little bits off at a time than cut too much off and then they're too short because you can't stick it back on. Next, just take your scissors and cut across. You've got to be confident with this, no hesitation, just cut. Once you've cut them, try them back on and see if you're happy with the length or if you need to take a little bit more off. I decided I needed to take a little bit more off. Then open up your scissors and carefully fray the edges of your jeans with them. I like to fold mine over and then fray them all together because I find it works better that way. You can also take some tweezers and pull out some strands too for a more distressed look, and that is it. Now let's say you take off a little bit too much and you're gutted and you feel like you can't wear them anymore and you've ruined them. Just take your scissors and cut diagonally across the bottom of the jean to create a little triangle. Then fray the edges again, and then you're left with a kind of cool high-low look jean, which you can really easily style with heels, and I think these jeans can look really cool for kind of like a night out look. And then your jeans aren't completely ruined. So that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did like it, because honestly that would mean so much to me. I post a load of fashion related videos, like fashion hacks, and also just kind of like outfit ideas and outfit inspiration. So yeah, it would mean so much if you did subscribe, and I'd be very grateful. Have a great day. Oh, let me know your thoughts in the comments too, because I always love to hear what you think. What are your thoughts? Do you have any jean hacks that you could share with us all as well? Because I would love to know them. And yeah, have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in the next video. Bye guys.